Hey friends! If you're new to my channel and you don't know the series, today you've clicked on an episode of What's Sewing On, where I take pictures from around the internet of cool things people have made, and I gas them up. If you notice a dramatic change in the visual and audio quality, that is exclusively thanks to Devin Campbell, who is doing this on a volunteer basis out of the goodness of his own heart. Thank you so much. I'll have his YouTube linked below if you want to go check out his stuff. Anyways, let's jump right into it. I don't know if it's like baby fever or something, but I have been obsessed with cute, huggable things lately. So I have a ton of plushies that I want to look at with you today. The first boy that I want to show you has a really cool story behind it. At Paper Penumbra Art on Instagram made this cute little sharky boy, and apparently this is from a manga called Chainsaw Man, and this little character is her favorite one. And he doesn't have like any merch for him, like there's not plushies available that you can just go buy. So she did what any sane sewist would do, and she made her own. And look at his cute little face! I don't know Chainsaw Man the manga, but I love just how cute this little guy is. Like, I just want to pick him up and squeeze him and rub his little chainsaw on my face. And Fun Fleece is not easy to work with, so this is impressively smooth. Fish says that Chainsaw Man is amazing, and I love Pochita with my entire being. I saw no Chainsaw Man merch, so I decided to make my own Pochita. Please, someone make Chainsaw Man merch. Girl, you don't need someone to make Chainsaw Man merch, you just made your own merch. And this little guy is so cute! Plushies are really fun to do because it's like sewing and origami all at once. But there are some really simple designs out there, like this frog. Like this frog. Mothman Enthusiast on Tumblr did this, and it is just incredible. You are indeed a mother now. Treasure that frog, and make sure you give him a proper name. No, but seriously, this project would be so easy as a beginner. You just trace the little frog pattern, or draw your own, make sure you cut 2 of them, stitch all the way around the edge, leaving an open space to turn it right sides out, and you have yourself a fluffy friend. I oversimplified a bit, but you get the gist. Radical Rin on Tumblr made a friend. His name is Boris. I suspect that Boris has a wire skeleton because his little toesies and fingies are able to grip onto things, like here where he's gripping his mom's shirt. He has a very impressively posable body, like here where he's seen clutching on to his creator. Boris requires cuddles. Another monstrosity from Tumblr. Isn't she lovely? Tumblr user Cosmic Axolotl made this mouse friend, and they would like to know, what is their name? The mouse, not the user. This limmy little mouse friend has just carved its way directly into my cold dead heart, and I needed to share it with y'all, so have fun with this in your nightmares. So have fun with your new sleep paralysis demon. I promise that all the ones from Tumblr aren't cursed, I just really like spooky babies. This next one made me cry real tears because it is so cute. At Alien Snacks on Instagram made this, and I am just gonna read her caption verbatim because it is so precious. This is Poppy, my little golden poison frog. Don't let the poison fool you. She's as sweet as can be. Oh my goodness, just look how small she is. Okay, I'm focused. I've really been enjoying sewing little friends. It makes the world feel less scary right now. I have a lot of inspiration, so stay tuned for more creatures. If you choose to stick with me as I post my art. Thank you. Honestly, this is the best possible response to stress. Just like make a tiny friend every time you're feeling upset, and then soon you'll have an army of tiny friends, and they can just battle all your stressors for you. Homework needs done, throw your plushies at it. I guess that wouldn't really work, but you'd have a lot of tiny friends. Oh my goodness, and she made a little green friend named Kiwi, and she's green and she's fuzzy like a kiwi, and I love her. I'm okay, I promise. I just love her so much. Oh, I wonder what else she's made. Oh. This one's deeply upsetting. I'm just gonna go. Do you want to see some pseudo rainbow mouse friends? They're not really a rainbow, they're more of a tertiary group, but they're really aesthetic still. Besides, I had to find something from Tumblr that wasn't cursed. Kira in the Cloud has also started cultivating this tiny little baby hawthorn in a pot, and this is not sewing related at all. It just fascinates me a lot because I never thought to try to grow an indoor hawthorn. That's so cool. Maybe don't do this if you have cats though. Anyways, our next plushie maker is a real professional. And everything they do is literally perfect. I'm gonna link their Etsy shop in the description box below because it's pretty fantastic. The first thing that I found by Beaner Dish was a Bulbasaur that had a sunflower on its back. Incredible. I love sunflowers. I love Pokemon. Of course I'm in love with this Bulbasaur. I need 10. No, I don't. I'm an adult woman and I don't need 10 Bulbasaur Pokemon. I don't need 10. I don't need 10. Why am I on this? Blech. There's also a cute little rose one. Apparently these fly out of her Etsy store really quickly, so I don't know if they're in stock right now. At the time of writing the script, she was sold out. I have no clue what's going on now. I'll have to check and let you know. She also does cute little stickers. But if she is out of stock of the plushies, she also has cute little vinyl stickers. They're so precious. And look at these little Woolos. I could just hug them. I just want to jump into this image and make friends with all of them. Maybe I could become like a little Wooloo sheep herder and I could shear them and then spin the wool and make cute little Woolo dresses. Yeah. I just got totally sidetracked by that daydream. Oh, and if you weren't already convinced that Beaner Dish was like the coolest person in existence, she just like casually cosplays. Seriously, like if you go through her feed, there's just like gorgeous plushie, gorgeous plushie, gorgeous plushie, random amazing cosplay, gorgeous plushie. Highly recommend checking her out. Another plushie professional that I couldn't go without mentioning is Treefort5 on Instagram. They do little felty creations like this. It's a sleepy onigiri. Look how sleepy and cute he is. This whole video is just turning into me coveting things, which is fine. It's fine. It's not fun. And look at this happy little coffee bean. He would make such a fantastic gift. You could just like put him in your cupboard and then every time you go to open it to get a coffee mug, there's just like a cute little bean friend there. That's a thing that adults do, right? You can call anything home decor, honestly. Anyway, they've got lots of really cute things, so I will have their shop linked in the description box below as well in case you want to check them out. Highly recommend it. The very last creation that I want to feature is this customized Squishamallow. I would never have thought of taking a previously existing plushie and embroidering it myself, but this is really cool. And it just looks like a tiny huggable galaxy. I want to hug the universe. I think if you're trying to get into sewing in any respect, it's a really good first project to take something that already exists and then edit it in some way so that you get that thrill of finishing an item, but you don't have to like really nitty-grittily figure out how to do what you're trying to do yet. Like a good appetizer project. And sourcing fabric and materials can be really stressful as a beginner because if you haven't like worked on something, you don't always know what you're looking for. So like tactily experiencing working on a project and then doing it for real after that, it's a really good starting point. I'm rambling now. I'm not gonna lie, I've made a handful of like little plushy whales and things, but I have never made anything this cute. If like me, you're feeling super inspired and motivated to make a cute little plushie, I am going to link in the description box below some beginner-friendly tutorials so that you can go and live your best plushie dreams. That line doesn't really work. So that you can go off and make your own little plushie friends. So that you can go and make your own squishy friends. I found this really awesome tutorial for a Stegosaurus and it has a free printable PDF pattern, so you can just download that at home and follow her along and then have a dinosaur friend at the end of it. I'm also going to link a beginner-friendly hand stitching for plushies tutorial so that if you don't have a sewing machine, you can also give this a whack. Honestly, I just love the internet so much. Where else could you go and just like find a dinosaur pattern totally for free and like a whole bunch of people that are willing to hold your hand and walk you through it. Ugh. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you hopefully have plans to make your own squishy friends, or just enjoyed coming along for the ride. And to all the lovely artists featured in this video, I hope you keep sewing on. Bye, friends! I don't do that. That's the first time I've ever done that. Bye, friends! Am I a cool YouTuber yet?